Hello, we're going to take a look at the manual maintenance procedure which you will need to perform on your devices. We recommend that you should carry out these short cleaning steps at least once a week in order to keep your equipment in the best condition. First of all, a little reminder that all of this information is outlined in detail in your machine's manual, which if you haven't done so already, we recommend reading through. Your printer is a precision, high-performance device, and the more you look after it, the more it will look after you. Let's start by taking a look at the recommended equipment that you will need in order to carry out a manual clean. Also, please ensure that you have adequate safety wear. Before we start cleaning, we will need to remove any media from the machine. Next, we're going to wipe away any ink or grime built up on the media path and any other areas as part of our daily cleaning procedure. For this, you can use a cloth moistened with neutral detergent or isopropanol. To start cleaning, we will navigate to the manual clean option within the menu tree. The menu screen will then direct you through taking off the covers. You have 30 minutes in which to complete your clean. Remove the cutting rail as shown, then the print carriage will move over to the left hand side for cleaning. Dip a cleaning swab into the solution as shown. Here we're going to clean the printhead surrounds. When cleaning the printheads, we're looking to clean any excess ink from the printhead frame and the head protection surround. You may need to keep gently wiping for any built-up ink on any of the metal parts. Keep an eye out for any loose hairs or fluff that may have attached to the printhead and use the swabs or tweezers to remove if necessary. Next, we're going to move over to the right hand side of the machine where we will clean the wiper blade. Clean both sides of the wiper to remove any ink. Take this chance to check the condition of the wiper. If the wiper looks old and worn, you may need to replace it with a new one. If and when the white wiper sponge becomes too dirty, you can swap it with one of the ones lying underneath. Next, we're going to clean the capping station. The cap top creates an airtight seal on the underside of the printhead when it's not in use. You'll need to clean around the gasket to ensure that the seal is clean and working properly. Clean the plastic surround and rubber seal. There shouldn't be any need to clean inside of the cap top. This part will look as though it has ink in it as it runs any waste ink down to the waste ink bottle. If needed, you can clean the metal surfaces that surround the cap tops. Again, check for any fluff or hairs using a torch and remove if you find any. Be sure to clean the maintenance compartment. This would normally involve wiping the surfaces to get rid of any built-up fluff or dust. When finished, follow the instructions on the LCD display and replace the covers and cutting rail. The machine will then perform a clean. Periodically, when prompted by the menu screen, you will need to clean the wiper tray. Navigate in the menu as shown and follow the instructions. Opening the valve will drain the old liquid into the waste bottle. When finished, you simply close the valve so that the printer can refill the tray. When finished, remember to wipe down any other surfaces as needed.